All right. So Kangana Ranaut and Veer Das. Seems like an unlikely comparison, but they're more similar than you might think. You know, of course, one's a Bollywood star, and one is just a stand-up comedian who gets to work in Bollywood films once a while, rather lead the cast. But it's not a popularity contest. This video, because these two are very opinionated politically. They're very outspoken, and even though they might appear, their style of expressing themselves is very different. Kangana Ranaut is aggressive, in your face, and very expressive rather. Veer Das is more sophisticated. He uses sarcasm to put his views across. He's jokey and he's very sophisticated, very refined. But having said that, even though Kangana can be very nuanced when she wants to, and we have seen plenty of that, but even then, outside of this style of expressing themselves, Kangana Ranaut and Veer Das are two very similar individuals. And let me prove that to you through two examples. That's it. So, Kangana Ranaut, we know how she spent a good part of 2020, right? A tragedy happened in Bollywood, and Kangana Ranaut thought, why not? It's a great chance to milk this tragedy and get even with people that I hate, that I've had public differences with. So she said Karan Johar conspired to kill Sushant, and Alia Bhatt was party to that conspiracy. And one of the biggest, the most explosive evidences that Kangana Ranaut had of this claim is that clip on Coffee with Karan, where Alia Bhatt, in that game Kill, Marry, Hook Up, she said she would want to kill Sushant. And that proves without any doubt that Karan and Alia wanted to kill Sushant. Yeah, so equal amount of sense, equal amount of logic was made by Veer Das very recently. You know, when in US Trump supporters stormed the Capitol and all of that mess happened, and intellectuals, people who fondly call themselves intellectuals, started drawing parallels between Modi and Trump somehow, and Veer Das was at the forefront of that. So one Twitter user challenged Veer Das. He said, you know, you're doing this to suit your own narrative. There is absolutely no need. I don't see how anybody can draw a parallel between Trump and Modi through this incident. And to that Veer Das's response was basically, Veer Das thinks that Modi endorses whatever Trump does, or whatever crazy policies that he tries to bring. The evidence that Modi supports them is because Modi invited Donald Trump last year for that Trump Namaste Trump event. I'm not making this up. Veer Das said it. He tweeted that. So that is an evidence. I imagine nobody has introduced Veer Das to the political term called diplomacy. I have made an entire video of it. So that's it. That's my reason. That's why I think these two people are so similar, because they can find, they can pick incidents which are not even incidents in the first place. They are so removed from either reality or from a reference point that you are looking at, that you can't even use them to interpret or to spin a narrative that you're trying to spin. And yet somehow you have done it. Yet somehow Kangana did it and Veer Das did it. And that's why I think these people can get along. Veer Das and Kangana Ranaut can get along well. It's unfortunate that their political ideologies don't meet, but it would like that very old expression, it would rain bananas if they ever get together and create something together. Subscribe to Legend Martini for your daily dose of lifestyle, movies, fashion, career, health and wellness, and everything else under the sun. Don't forget to hit the bell icon.